Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will talk about spool loom. This loom for I-cord stitch or accessories. Here 8 pegs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here only 5 pegs. 5 pegs and 8 pegs worked with it necklace or any accessories. This is the start. This stitch is I-cord stitch and this stitch is the same method of flat stitch, but I-cord stitch is wrapped up. 8 pegs worked with it flower or fingers to gloves. This stitch shrink, okay? In this video, I will end this stitch with you by this way. When the pegs get out of its place, you can enter it again. This type of spool loom keep comes with two needles, one needle for loom knitting and another for knitting. I will cut the string and return to you. Cut the string about 2 rounds of your spool loom. Enter your stitches in your knitting needle by this way. Then tighten the string. Knit your stitches and tie the string, and don't forget to hide the end of string in your end hole. It is very important. Then out the string in any stitch, then cut. And don't forget to tie the string. and do the same in the start hole. So we finished, and this is the final shape. You can iron it in which its shape be flat. If you like this video, don't forget like, subscribe and share video. We organize our channel in playlists. Goodbye.